Hey guys, welcome to our very first episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm Stu Campus and today we're diving into the features of the Cruisemaster DO-35 Hitch, which we use in all our lifestyle camper models. So let's get started. For those new to lifestyle campers, we've been pioneering the design and manufacture of hybrid caravans right here in Australia since 2002. Based in Brisbane, our Hypercampers are built to withstand the rugged Australian landscape, offering a perfect blend of innovation, quality, functionality and value for money. Now let's see how the DO-35 Hitch plays a crucial role in your camper's performance.
The Cruisemaster DO-35 Hitch is a top-of-the-line coupling system, renowned for its durability and ease of use. Designed specifically for off-road applications, it combines strength, flexibility and user-friendly features, making it an essential component for any serious camper. The DO-35 offers 360-degree axial rotation and a minimum of 70-degree articulation in other axes. This high articulation ensures your trailer follows smoothly behind your vehicle, even on the toughest terrains. It significantly reduces the risk of rollovers and enhances safety in off-road conditions. Safety is paramount with the DO-35. It features a two-stage ADR-compliant locking mechanism that ensures a secure connection between your vehicle and trailer. The patented check lock cap provides a visual confirmation that the hitch is locked and keeps dust out, maintaining the integrity of the locking mechanism. The patented drop-on design allows for easy hitching, even on uneven ground. This innovative feature, combined with the toe pin and viewpoint, simplifies alignment between your vehicle and trailer, making the hitching process quick and stress-free. Constructed with forged steel and high-quality polyurethane, the DO-35 is designed to withstand the toughest conditions. It's fully greasable, which helps reduce wear and tear, ensuring longevity and reliability. The zinc nickel and e-coat finish provides superior corrosion resistance, essential for Australia's varied climate. Installing the DO-35 Hitch is straightforward, thanks to its standard 4-bolt mounting pattern. When installing the DO-35, the manufacturer recommends bolt grade minimum M12 class 8.8, torquing the bolts to 90 Nm, or half-inch grade 5, torquing the bolts to 100 Nm. Regular maintenance includes keeping the toe pin and universal mating surfaces clean and lightly greased. Checking the condition of the toe pin O-ring and replacing if necessary ensures the hitch remains in optimal condition. We also recommend regularly checking the torque of the mounting bolts is still to specification to ensure your camper is always hitched safely to your vehicle. Using the supplied C-spanner, insert the spanner tab into the toe pin cross hole to hold in place while torquing the nut. For Australian supplied couplings, fit the toe pin to the tow bar using the supplied spring washer and 7/8 nut, torquing to 440 Nm. The Cruisemaster DO-35 exceeds the strength requirements of ADR 62/01 and 62/02, ensuring it meets the highest safety standards set by Australian regulations. This compliance is a testament to the hitch quality and reliability, providing peace of mind on every journey.
In summary, the Cruisemaster DO-35 Hitch is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to enhance their towing experience. Its high articulation, robust build and easy to use features make it perfect for the adventurous spirit. At Lifestyle Campers, we trust the DO-35 to provide the safety and reliability our customers need on their journeys. Thanks for tuning into the episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. Visit our website or the Cruisemaster website for more details and stay tuned for more tips and insights on making the most of your lifestyle camper. Until next time, keep the campfires burning and the fridge full.